Hi everyone, this is Bob, and been doing a little work on the 29 Ford here. I say a little work, it's very little work actually. But I wanted to show you what I had done here. Let me release the hood. It's pretty warm right now. I think it's about, I would guess 140 degrees, something like that. But I wanted to show you what I did here. Right here on this head bolt on the back side, let's see if we can get around there so you can see a little better. On the back side, you see that little piece of copper there? That's a copper strip. I'd say it's 50 thousandths thick, maybe a 1/16 of an inch, and I just bent it around in a little U. It's got a 7/16, 8/16, half-inch hole. I think it's a half-inch hole in this end, and then I loosened up the nut. I was very fortunate in that when I loosened the nut, the stud did not come out. I just got the nut off the top, and so I put that on there. And then here you can see the wire here. This wire goes to temperature readout, and right here is the temperature readout wire. There was already a hole drilled in the firewall there, so I just stuck the wire through, and you may be able to notice that it has a little bit of silicone rubber RTV clear. I just squirted a little on there, and that made a little grommet like, and holds the wire and keeps the weather out. It did have a nut and bolt into it. Okay, so, and it just misses the spark control rod here. Anyway, I was thinking that it would be good to have a temperature indicator that would show the temperature more on the back cylinder right here. So anyhow, I was on eBay and I saw this nice little temperature readout. It was less than $10, and it shows the temperature then at that point. And I think that would be sufficient really for my Model A. I'm climbing in here. Pardon all this banging around with the old camera. But I wanted to show you the setup here. Now I've got the readout right down in here, and I'll turn it on. There we go. And right now it's showing 165 degrees. I've got a 160 degree thermostat in there, but when the engine is cooling down, it kind of peaks in that back cylinder, I've noticed. I've only run this engine 3 or 4 times since I put this temperature readout in. Now I got this on eBay, and if you read the description carefully on eBay, just look for LCD or LED temperature readout. I think that's an LCD, colored LCD. Anyhow, it's real cute. It's very, very small. Here's my finger in front of it here. And you can see it's showing 164 degrees. I've got a 160 degree thermostat in there. When I shut this engine off, it was reading like 150. And I just went around the block with it. I was going to go further, but I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's some rain spatters on the windshield here. And it's only 34 degrees out right now, so I'm kind of anxious to see how this works out in the warm weather. But I think this is a really nice thing to have, showing the temperature at the hottest cylinder, which is at the back of the engine. And also, it was so easy to install. I wouldn't even need to remove that copper piece if I wanted to take it out and just pull the wire out of there, and all I need to do is get 6 volts to it here. Remember, however, that the Model A Ford has a positive ground. So you want the red wire here. You want this red wire here to go to the car chassis, to ground, and the black wire then goes to your switched power from the ignition switch here, which I don't need on right now. But I just wanted to show you that, how that is. I'm going to put the handbrake on, and it should start right up since I had it running a few minutes ago. Turning on the gas. I don't think I need to choke it at all. Nope. Started right up. Please excuse my terrible camera work. It's a very cheap little camera. Increase the spark a little bit. Like I say, I found this on eBay, and so just get on eBay if you want to find one, and it was less than $10, including the postage, and it was shipped from a USA seller, and I got it in just a few days. So I wanted to show you this really nice little readout. It's really nice. So you can see the temperature is dropping now because it actually peaked when I shut the car off. It had only been off like a minute when I started the video here. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you that. So everybody, keep these old Model A's running, guys. They are wonderful cars. We'll see you later. Bye.